Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to customize your Android like a pro. Aesthetic Setup 2025. Now I have a step-by-step guide for you here. In the right side, I have a visual representation on what thing should look like. So I have 7 steps here. Step number 1, choose a launcher. So install a custom launcher from a Play Store if you're using an Android of course, which I always recommend for Nova Launcher, Niagara Launcher, or Smart Launcher 6. So this is the application for Nova Launcher for the Play Store. I'm going to show you now how it looks like for the Niagara Launcher. Should be looking like this one right here. So this tool launcher right here also comes with the Smart Launcher 6. Should be your top picks. In here you can choose the launcher and explore the settings such as the grid size and gestures. Now pick a wallpaper. Since we're going for a static setup, download high quality wallpapers from apps like Wally, backdrops, or of course my favorite, Pinterest. Choose a wallpaper that fits your vibe, minimalist, anime, nature, etc. I'm gonna go always for minimalist. Apply it to your gallery and directly through the app. So customize your icons. So your icons should be customized properly, not just your default Android iPhones. So for that one, download an icon pack from Play Store. This should be the one which is my favorite, would be Weekends. Should be this one right here. Should looking like this. That can change your icon, very minimalist. And then these are gonna be the samples, as you can see right there. Awesome, right? And of course, you can add your widgets. Install KW, GT, or Super widget for dynamic widgets. Now, how should it look like? So this is gonna be Super widget, my most recommended one. And by the way, guys, this is entirely for free. Should be looking something like this, right? This is the Super widget. Gives you a more aesthetic vibe. Of course, guys, after everything, you have your wallpaper, you have your widgets, you have your customized icons. You need to organize your home screen, not let it be cluttered. Again, clean is good. So customize your lock screen, use apps like Zedge, always on and bold, for lock screen and AOD customizations. Final touches, add the minimalist clock and weather gadget. No, I always go for a minimalist clock on the lock screen. That is a really good design. Turn on dark mode for a slick finish. Do not use the white or the light mode. And then add just transitions and animations in launcher settings. And lastly, for level aesthetic, stick to a color theme. Not just going red, blue, yellow. Have a theme, have a contrast, have a color palette. Go for beige, white, light brown. There should be a transition period. And basically, less is more. Always remember this. Go for a clean and a functional layout. Remember this phrase and you'll be good to go. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.